is like such an amazing podcast. And he like Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Karima. I make videos on makeup, skincare, daily vlogs, and basically I make lifestyle content. Do check my videos out, and if you like them then consider subscribing. In today's video I am going to share my favorite Indian podcast, basically podcast recommendation. So yeah, I wanted to do this video from so long, and finally I'm doing this. So yeah, if you are into listening and watching podcasts, and if you are finding some new really good podcasts, then this is the video for you. And yeah, before starting, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so basically I have like 4 podcasts. All of them are Indian, and side by side I'm also gonna tell you all my favorite episode from that specific podcast. So the first podcast I wanna talk about is called The Ranveer Show by Ranveer Alabadia. Now I have known him from a while now, but I like never bothered to like give this podcast a try. And I knew that he have this podcast, but I never really like cared. And a month ago I like started watching it, and I am loving it. I am binging it lately, like these days mainly. And in this podcast he basically talks about self-improvement, how to become a better you. He shares his own personal stories, what he was and now what he is. And the best thing I like about this podcast is that he has like guests in his podcast, like some different celebrities, some TV actors, some big actors as well. And my favorite episode from his podcast is the one he did with Shilpa Shetty. I loved like that episode, and actually that is the first episode I watched from that podcast. And in this episode she talks about everything, yoga, meditation, her like how she came into this industry, and like everything. She talks about everything. And the second one I like is he posted it like 2 or 3 days back. I don't remember the name, but it's like my yeah, it's called my like connection or bonding with the Almighty. I'll put it here. And yeah, if you are like just like trying to get into podcast and all, you should probably check this podcast firstly out. It is an amazing podcast, and these days I am binging this only, and I am loving all of the episodes. Okay, the second podcast I want to talk about is called Love Song Ki Moti by RJ Vashisht. Now I have known this guy from like past 3 or 4 years, actually even more than that, and I love his content. But let me be very honest, like बीच में I just completely stopped listening to that podcast. Don't know why. But yeah, again I have started like watching or listening it, and again I am loving it. And in this podcast, like if you are into these late night 3 a.m. conversations, this is the podcast for you. I love deep talks, and yeah, this is like such a deep talk podcast. And if you are just wondering, no, this podcast is not for self improvement, self growth. It's just one of those like deep talks, and again 3 a.m. thoughts wala podcast. And yeah, again my favorite episode from that podcast is the one called Chand or Nazdikiyan. I love that episode. I don't know why. I just feel so connected to that podcast. Don't know why, but I love listening that. And yeah, again, if you, I'm like saying it for the third time, but yeah, if you are into deep and meaningful talks, then this is the podcast for you. And also all of them are like linked down. You don't have to worry about where to find it. All of them are linked down in the description. Alright, the third podcast I have for you all is called What's Up Sister by Kritika and Diksha Khurana. If you don't know these two, I can't believe you don't know these two, but these both are real sisters, and they both are YouTube and Instagram creators, basically influencers, and I love these two so much. If you have watched my previous video in which I shared my current favorites, if you haven't watched, do give it a watch. I link it like in the iPad, and in that video I talked about this podcast. Let me tell you again what this podcast is about. Basically in this podcast these two talk about everything from life goals, career goals, health goals, girl talk, and like they talk about just everything, you name it, and they have that topic in their podcast. And again, while listening to that podcast, you will be like you are talking to your really close friend or something. And I just connect so much with these two, especially with Kritika. I love her. And yeah, again, this podcast just makes you feel more connected with them. And if you don't know who they are, do check this podcast out. I'm sure you're gonna love these two sisters so much. And now talking about my favorite episode from this podcast is this one called How We Bonded So Much. And these two just like share their story, like how they connect so much with each other, how they bond with so much each other. And I just love that episode so much. I have watched that particular episode for like more than 3 times. And yeah, amazing podcast, especially for girls, the best podcast out there. And all of these podcasts are like available on YouTube as well as on Spotify. So yeah, the last podcast I want to talk about is called What's Up Sister by Kritika Khurana. She is the one whom I talked about like for the What's Up Sister. And a quick disclaimer, I don't know for what reason and why she's like not uploading anymore on this podcast. Like no episodes are coming from the past 4 to 5 months. No, actually less than that, but yeah, around like this only. And in this podcast she like takes different questions from her Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat and answers them. The best podcast for like self-improvement and like just in general improving yourself. And talking about my favorite episode from that is the one called Letter to My 15-year-old self, something of like that title. And she has like taught so much in that podcast. I like literally got so many life lessons from that podcast. And you know, it's just like good to have someone as your mentor, even if like she's not you're like not physically talking to them, but still I love listening to her. I love everything about her. Okay, all of the 4 podcasts are done, and yeah, those were my 4 favorite Indian podcast. I have like a long list of podcasts which I always keep on binging, but these were my four most favorite podcasts. And yeah, again, if you are just starting off with the podcast, think do give them a try. Like try one of these four which I have shared, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.